All right, at Stamtec, we've had several generations of clutch and brakes on our presses over the years. As you can see, we have ample stock of pins, bushings, complete replacement units, the wear parts, the clutch and the brake disc for all our latest pneumatic clutch and brakes that we had. We also can get some of our first generation, which are the TCB clutch and brakes. But we do try to keep an ample stock available, especially during shutdown periods when a lot of factories shut down to do their yearly or semi-yearly PM and maintenance procedures. Now, Stamtec's current model of wet clutches, those are a proprietary unit to Stamtec, which must be rebuilt or refurbished by us. As you can see, we have ample sets of seals, packings, bearings, spacer discs, clutch and brake disc, etc. to rebuild any of our wet clutch units. We do try to focus and concentrate on keeping any and all common wear parts available for all of our standard presses. That includes any electrical components from motor starters, thermals, pressure switches, etc., to bearings, packings, seals, overload pumps, solenoid valves, and of course any lubrication parts such as filters, etc., for any of our lube units. And most importantly, we do try to keep a large stock inventory of various hydraulic overload pumps, as most of these items have a long lead time and are not readily available in the United States.